In this video, we'll have a little introduction on how you can use Statcrunch on the homework questions so that you don't have to retype data into your TI calculator. The example that we're going to look at is from the Chapter 3 homework. Chapter 3, remember we have to do mean, median, mode, all the measures of center, and then also the measures of spread such as range, standard deviation, variance. So I'm going to show an example on homework. This is problem number 4, and the question says, listed below are the top 10 annual salaries in millions of dollars of TV personalities. Find the range, variance, and standard deviation for the sample data. Given that these are the top 10, do we know anything about the variation of salaries of TV personalities in general? So our calculator would give us the standard deviation, but it won't give us the range or variance. So the nice thing about Statcrunch is it will also give us those. So you click on this little icon here, and it will ask you, you can open it, the data set in Statcrunch. And it's a spreadsheet program. So the first column contains the data from the problem. We want to compute summary statistics, so you click on the stat, summary statistics. This is in a column. And what we do is it gives us what columns to select. We only have one column. And the statistics are here, what we'd like to go ahead and calculate. They're all listed on the right. So if you click on the left-hand side, everything will go away except for what you're clicked on. And for this question, down here it says if you want to select more than one, you hold down, I hold down the control or the shift key and click on what I want. So for this question, we want the variance, standard deviation, and then they scroll down, and range. But notice, let me go back up, you can also calculate in the number of items, the mean, standard error, we're not quite sure what that means yet, median, the minimum, maximum, first and third quartiles. So this will calculate, Statcrunch will calculate everything that we've done so far in Chapter 3. So click on Compute, and those are the values for your variance, standard deviation, and range. So you would have to move this out of the way and then enter your values in the box. So that's kind of handy, especially if the data sets are large as we progress through the class. Sometimes we have really large data sets, but you can use Statcrunch. You don't always have to use the calculator.